So let's see what is data wrangling. Data wrangling, also known as data mining or data pre-processing. This is also similar as the data pre-processing, but a little bit difference. Here we see what is the difference between data wrangling and data pre-processing. This is possible to transforming the mapping raw data into a usable and structured format for analysis and machine learning. It involves cleaning or organizing and increasing the data to make it more suitable for modeling. Data wrangling is the crucial step because the quality and structure of the data directly implement to the performance of machine learning models. Here is a details explanation with the data collection and inspection. Collect raw data from various sources which might be different formats, CSV, Excel, the database, etc. Inspect the data for quality issues such as missing value, inconsistency and outliers. Data cleaning handling missing values. Decide how to deal with missing data. For example, you can remove rows with missing values, impute them using structured method, or use more advanced technique like interpretation and predictive modeling. Handle outfits, identify and handle outliers that might skew the model prediction or learning process. Data performance. Feature scaling, scale numerical feature to similar range to prevent algorithm from being dominated by the certain feature. Common method include the standardization, Z-score normalization and min-max scaling. Encoding categorical variable, convert categorical variable into numerical representation. For example, use one-hot encoding for normal variable and label encoding for ordinal variable. Text pre-processing, convert raw text into the format suitable for analysis. These involves tokenization, remove steps and separate limitization and convert text into the numerical pre-processing like TF, IDF. This is a text processing is a problem of neural network. Feature engaging, create new features for existing one to provide more relevant information. For instance, perform a times to map. You could exist feature like the day of the week or day or the time of the day. Data interrogate, combine data from multiple sources into a single data set that might involve handling consistency is in naming, conversion, data types or units of measurement. Data reduction, dynamically reduce the number of features while retaining important